butata.
Coach Vic Ecasiano, Escudero.
Vic Escudero.
Yeah, of Pasay. Pares naman gets foul to be upgraded. I don't think so.
Just a regular foul. I mean, we've seen. Okay,
Pre-season pa lang nakita na natin yan eh.
Hindi
The
pa.
last 2 games, meron. Nanood na siya.
nanonood siya, but he wasn't suiting up yet.
Right. May kasama pa nga siyang isang big man no, na akala natin yun na yun. Pero pain
Akala natin yun na yun. Akala natin yun na yun.
lang pala. No? Oo. Ipapangalan na lang natin siyang Dave. Bahala na kayo, maraming Dave na player.
Bahala na kayo, maraming deep na player.
Hey,
Pero hindi pala siya. Mike pala ang ipapalit nila, hindi Dave.
there's a little something here. Double technical.
13, Steve Nash Enriquez, and number 5, Orlan Mamar, both for unsportsmanlike behavior.